Short update on my New York session. I was watching three pairs mainly. I was looking at gold, very bullish chart, as we are all aware, coming off an 8 hour fake out low, 8 hour breakout into the high. Um, I was debating taking a continuation long, or maybe as it came back in now, I already thought if it does a 8 hour fake out high, maybe it's a nice short continuation. But during my trading window, it didn't confirm. Maybe it goes now, but now it's too late for me. I'm done already. Then I was looking at S&P, um, taking a short because here, as you see, all levels are aligning nicely in one nice bundle here. So I thought once it engulfs all of that, this might be an entry signal. But also in my trading window, coming into third hour, it was in breakout and didn't look like it would come back in. I mean, it did later, but then I was already in a trade. But what I really liked was DJ30. I was also watching that. It was potentially a long, but then with New York Open, it did one final wick to the top, and then everything changed. But let's look at the higher time frame first. So overall, it's a pretty bullish chart. Last week we had a breakout all-time high with a major parabolic move, almost 1,000 pips in 1 week to the upside, closing out of balance with an inside day. The inside day setup is not yet completed. So we have the inside bar stops below and the one full expansion up here. So we are still trading around the previous week's high now and searching for direction. We have 3 days of longs in the market. So we have a lot of liquidity below, as you see. So I was thinking either if we get a dump into New York Open, then it might be a long setup, or the other way, of course, if we get a pump and they trap the longs, it's a nice short setup. Then, as I came to the screen, 15 minutes after New York Open, it already trapped the longs, came back down here. I was starting to look here once it lost previous week's high and therefore printing a fake out high on the week. It came back down almost to the 8 hour level. Fortunately, not doing a fake out low on the 8 hour because I don't like it to trade into that. But it's with my entry window, third hour open, we were pretty far down, so I didn't like to enter here. And it was also MRN, obviously. It was home sales in US. It pushed back up into the weekly fake out high level. And I thought, okay, this is a very nice pattern. All lower time frames bearish except the monthly, but the monthly is pretty far down, so it's nice to take a counter trade from here. And then I thought I wait for a 5 minute fake out high. That's my conservative entry for a continuation setup. So it pushed up here with like 10-15 minutes, did a 5 minute fake out high closing and then a bearish rollover in the next 5 minute chart. So I took that, put the target of the trade to the previous day low where you have most of the next bigger liquidity, and it also lined up with previous week and previous week close. So I was a bit careful, but then I wicked through previous week close and directly hit my take profit with previous day low already after 10 minutes or so, 10-15 minutes, and took me out here with 100 pips and an R4. So very happy with this trade, done for the day. Hope you had a nice trading day, and I wish you a nice evening.